What to do near the market news that can happen on the chart, and what to do in this case. Is it better to wait until the news pass or to trade the news? The question is here, and I will try to cover from my experience and also from this example on the trade which you can see currently on the chart. I have a gold against US dollar on the 4-hour time frame, and here it is on the chart where I have market when the Monday starts, when the Monday ends, and when the Friday starts and when the Friday ends. So you can see what happens during the markets. I will focus on the Friday, because this is the time when the news has appeared, and on the left side I have Forex Factory calendar with the news that has been on the Friday on the same date, which you can see here on the chart. Now, to trade on the news, when it is announced, when there could be a big market movements or not, it depends on you, what kind of a trader you are. If you are trading the news, you're not trading the news, you are trading fundamentals, or you are a simple technical analyst. In this case, I will focus on the technical side because I'm using only technical analysis without fundamental, and also I'm not watching any kind of news. I will try to explain from my point of view. You can also check other traders who are using the news and they are trading the news, what is the perfect strategy for them that you can use on your trading. Now in this case, we can see how the market has moved here on the chart during the week. So we can see the price has moved to the upside, where the price formed these bullish candles. And when the Friday has started, we can see the price tried to move even higher, reaching this resistance level here, which is a supply zone where the sellers are waiting. But on a Friday, the price could not manage to reach that area. The price has stopped somewhere in between this resistance level here and the support level here. And for the second part of the day, we can see a strong bearish candle has been formed on the chart that has took the price even more down. The price has gone through 3 support levels. The first one was here, the second was here, and the third one was here. So the week has closed below instead of reaching this resistance level, which was the target. Now what has happened? We can see during the news that has happened after 13 o'clock, which is usually, or we can see that here, it was at 14:30. When the news has started to get out, and here we can see the very important news that has been published on the market for the US dollar. So for the gold against US dollar, if the news are very good for the gold, the price will move down. If the news are very bad for the US dollar, this will mean that the gold price will reach higher price levels. We can see here that flash manufacturing PMI and also flash services PMI, the news were very good for the US dollar. This means the green numbers were very useful for the US dollar, so the price has moved in the opposite direction compared for the rest of the week. We can see that the price during the week has risen in value, but on the Friday, when the news have come on the market, the price has moved in the opposite direction because the gold has lost its value against US dollar because of the good news for the US dollar. Now, how to trade this one? Will you trade here based on the news, or will you trade on the technical analysis? In my case, my technical analysis was showing me that after the price has gone above this resistance level, this bullish breakout, I was targeting that the price will reach around 2374, this resistance level. But the price did not reach that because of the Friday. And we can see usually the Friday is the day when the traders get out from their trades. This means the traders who have entered into trade from here, they have opened buy, or they have exited their trades before the price has reached this resistance level. But usually they exit when the price reaches the start of this resistance level. In my case, on the Friday, which is usually the day when it is the best to wait outside of the market because of the traders. We never know when the traders will get out from their trades. Will they wait until the price reaches this resistance level, or they will exit their trades before that happens? So we can see on a Friday, and this was a small indecision candle that took the price all the way back down to the first support level, which was triggering a small sell-off on a Friday, where the trades have exit their trades before the rest of the day. And also they would like to log their trades before the weekend starts. They do not want to have trades open over the weekend because something can happen over the weekend. So this could also move in the opposite direction, opening with a large gap and losing their profits they have earned during the week. In this case, we can see the price did not reach at the start of this supply zone. The target was not reached, but the price has reversed all the way back down. Now we can see the good news for the US dollar have triggered this also a sell-off. In my case, I have not watched any news, so I did not know that very good US dollar news have entered the market, which also have helped for the price to move in the opposite direction. Now, if you would like to trade this one, there are two options. You can also use technical analysis. On a Friday, usually in the first part of the day, it is the best to exit your trades and then wait for the start of the next week. On a Friday, it is also very good to lock your profits, even they are smaller one than it was expected to reach this resistance level as a target. It is the best to lock their profits instead going bad and going against you and losing that trade. It is the best to have small profit than having large loss. Now the second part is that you can trade news. How to trade the news? It is the best to find some other traders to do that, but based on what is expected. For example, the previous value here was 51.3 and 54.8. Forecast was that this one flash PMI, it should be smaller than the previous, and we can see that for the flash services 54.8, it was expected that 53.4 would be lower. So the news were news was expecting that this forecast will be lower than the previous, but the actual value was higher than the previous. So this was the forecast was not showing the precise information, so this could be also one of the if you have waited for the forecast that should be lower than it was forecast than it was previous, you would also wait and expected that the US dollar will have less value against gold. So this would be for the gold very good news for the price to continue to raise value. But the news have entered into market, and we can see this was against the forecast. The actual value was better than it was expected. Now this has been triggered, and when to enter into the market, it is one of the ways you can do that is to wait until the price makes a breakout below the first support level. When that will happen, it is the best always to wait until the candle closes. But in this case, this would be very too late. Why? Because we can see the large candle has gone through the first support level and it has reached the second support level. And then there is also a possibility that the price continues to fall down, but there is opportunity that the price is all the way back up. So what is the best decision? That is something that is up to you to decide. But what can also happen? It could happen that the price goes up here and then the reverses suddenly back down, just to catch all these stop loss levels that have waited for the market to go down. But the price, because of the large volatility during that day and also during the news, can trigger a move in the opposite direction, a false move, a false breakout, and then return all the way back down. So there are lots of bad scenarios that can happen during the news. So it is also very much important to have a proper risk management. So that means do not open large lot sizes, large volumes during the news, because the market can make these false breakouts that can trigger your stop loss and then get you out of the market and then reverse in your direction without you. So this could also happen, but it could happen very good trading decisions that the market you enter right here and then the market goes in your direction, you make money. There are lots of possible options, but in my case, I like to get out of the market on the Friday before the second part of the Friday starts, and also if there are any news to get out and wait until the market settles. Now, it is one of the ways of the trading. What is the best? It is up to you to decide. It is based on your trading strategy, but usually when the news happens, very good very good trading decisions can happen, but also very bad because of the high volatility and also because of the large price spikes that can go up and down very fast, triggering, activating a stop loss and then moving in the opposite direction. So it's not very easy to trade during the news, and on a Friday, especially when the traders get out of their trades, can be a double case when we have two scenarios that can happen. Traders get out from their trades, and also when the news enter into market. I hope this has shed some of the light what can happen during the news, how to react on a Friday when the news happens, and also what is the best decisions. There are two ways to trade or not to trade. I choose not to trade because it is much better to follow the trend during the week when the market moves based on the technical analysis and follows these scenarios of the bullish or bearish breakouts. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading.